baphethe la ibona baphethe la la bona mthani la baphethe ibala kwana la hey hey nomhlathi wanyoko ni nenzani kuleniso lethu nenzani la bebaleka makule kwena nawa bebaleka Jangan jadi farmnya orang suno aja. Balik mana? Chakoni para mfanye ngakorozela mina nje umhlabuka kahle. Chakoni umuntu okorozela mina okungayelo kulelizwe. Hawu ngaka ngibuke. Nikitimelani ngamba kancane. Nikitimelani ngamba kancane nje wezozo. Nikitimelani ngamba kancane. Uyakitima ngamba kancane. Uyangasi noma ishayisho tigeza njani.
Ngithi mina angithi ama politicians niyabona mangabe sekuvotwa zonwashela izitsha anike izipho one family one love. Yebo. Kodwa nakho la sikhuluma ngama-foreigner sekuphela unyaka wonke siyenza amamashi kodwa akhona lodwa i-politician elake lathi limele iqiniso lokuthi abahambe
6 o'clock now khona
njengamanje kunenkosi eyibekile lapha eNigeria yathi Igbo King la ezweni lethu lelo Nigeria abantu base Eastern Cape baphume ngobuningi babo bathi abantu base-Eastern Cape lo muntu siyamazi wenza idakamizo basho bona emphakathini ukuthi siyamazi lo muntu uyisigebengu kodwa until today u-Igbo King usala eSouth Africa kanti fanele size senze njani ukuze uhulumeni wethu silalele upresident uthe izolo uthe uyezwa ukuthi sinenkinga nama-foreigner kodwa asingabi violent hlezi kudadewethini ukuthi senzani abantu namhlanje sibakhumbulayo ngoba balifela lelizwe alikho iNigeria elafela iSouth Africa alikho iSomalia elafela iSouth Africa alikho nelodi Zimbabwe elafela iSouth Africa manje ngeke abantu bafela ukuthi kuzodla bona umnotho wethu la ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini makuwukuthi sinezenophobia sinayo njalo ama-South Africans melwe ilizwe labo atshelwa ngezenophobia njalo mangabe silwela ilizwe lethu uma United Nations bazositshela ngezwe lethu la i-United Nations ihlala lana yini no acting minister wamaphoyisa ohambe wayogijima wayokhipha ama-statement ethi eGhana khona abantu abashayiwe baseGhana la ukhona umuntu oseGhana nibonile aningizwa ngithi kunini sikhuluma nohulumeni wethu akazikhiphe social media ama-foreigner ayasidela lathi asisebenzi bathi bona bahleli bashawa ama-aircon thina sibhizi siyamasha la ukhona umuntu ongafuni ukusebenza la ukhona umuntu ofuna ukubizwa ngomahlalela la ukhona ikhona insizwa engafuni ukumisa umuzi wakubo la ikhona manje indaba silalela abantu bokufika ezweni lethu ngifuna ukuqala ngani namhlanje soqala ngani ngoba nani mina indima enidlala yokusijwayeza nabantu bokufika abangayebo ukuhlalisa kanjani umuntu ongamazi kwakho onganamaphepha ongaziyo nina ebanika indawo yokuthi bafake iy'ntola kithi umakhelwane wakho uyambuka uze uyothenga khona iy'ntolo zabo ngisho nithengelane iy'ntolo zabo nize nithi abanye azathi umuntu ikhathi yama yinhle mayingenziwanga uSamson waseZimbabwe
Today siza la Union Buildings ePretoria sizokhumbuza uhulumeni ukuthi uhulumeni yithi njoba nilapha kuma big positions yithi abantu base South Africa sinibeke lapha the struggles of this country people died and people sacrificed their lives people sacrificed their family times because they wanted this country to be free but now we're seeing uhulumeni teaming up with illegal immigrants and choosing them over South African people so that's why sizala sizothi uhulumeni we know you are in deep trouble because you committed yourself in the wrong things with the international community and with the African countries and some of our leaders have businesses in these African countries so now they are compromising the youth of this country. The main reason we are standing up is because here in South Africa the youth is our priority. If the youth, if the percentage of the youth unemployment is sitting at 62%, that is the failed state already. So we are saying for the past 31 years, we've been so kind to these African brothers and sisters. We've kept them. We've been very warm to them. We've never done anything wrong to them. We welcomed them. But now they are taking us for a ride. If you want evidence of that, go to social media, go and see what they say about us in social media, go and say about what they say about our country in telling their presidents and their people from their countries the bad things they say about South Africa. You can't be staying in a country and not loving it. You can't be staying in a country and hating it. You can't be staying in a country and wishing for it to break down. So we are saying no, because Home Affairs have failed us, the government has failed us, the Border Patrol has failed us. So let's say everybody must go out of the country. Let us fix our borders. Let us fix our Home Affairs. Let us fix our police system. Let us fix our security system of the country. And then we will monitor everyone coming into the country. Because right now, it is just hell. The way you see in Durban, I'm from Nongoma, but I mostly go to Durban. It is so painful what you see there. The young kids, 14-year-old, raped, 14-year-old, taken as girlfriends by Nigerians in Durban. Girls that are sent by their parents, scraping, having no money, but sending them to Durban University, Mangosuthu University, and DUT. But you find these girls during the night, they are there in Point Road. They are selling their bodies involuntarily. So that is most painful for any man. That is the position of a man. A man will always protect his country. A man will always protect every girl child. A man will protect every woman. So asilindi ukuthi size sibe kuma positions athile to stand up for the country. Indoda yomZulu iyinkosi, and inkosi will always protect its territory.
Yes, day 2 today, standing in solidarity with March and March. Mine is clear. If you're a non-South African pastor, is your God that cruel that he anoints you, he appoints you, you become the mouthpiece of God, you can hear and see things directly from him, and then God will say, leave your home country, come to South Africa to help them. What type of God are you following? Because are you not supposed to be prophesying to your own president? Are you not supposed to be making sure that you are prophesying, holding deliverance, having night visuals in your own country to liberate your own country from their own demons? Why everybody run to South Africa? That is why in one street we'll have 5, 6, 10 churches. You know why? Because the churches are used as a front to peddle drugs, human trafficking, money laundering. Even if there are 2 people, 10 people, they will still be billionaires, these people. Why? Because they are peddling drugs. South African pastors, arise, stand up. And as I say, if you're a non-South African pastor and you're here legally and you're doing the right thing, kudos and great for you. But Mamelani, South Africa has able pastors who can prophesy, who can preach, who can deliver. Each pastor must work with their own government to liberate their government, to deliver their government, to make sure that their government is in order. Why all the prophecies are for South Africa? Eh? Are you afraid of Piao, Boko Haram? Yay! If you're a real man of God, go prophesy and say President, Boko Haram is coming. President, this and this and this. We are tired. If you think I'm xenophobic, shame on you. That's the truth. We are tired of people peddling drugs, human trafficking, money laundering in the name of church. We have our own South African pastors who are able, who can prophesy and do all these things. You come here, you have churches in all the shops here, and then you want to entice our people with the wealth you have, saying God has given you the wealth. Yay! Drugs. Sanibonani. Sanibonani. Umahlase lo mephambi kwenu. Sihle sibisi. Bathi omlilo siyasibasela siqishele. Mina kwami ngizokhuluma la, I'm here to address the issue yabafundisi abaphuma ngaphandle. The pastors that are in our country, some of them, they are using the church as a cover up for human trafficking, drug selling that they are doing. Yes. We have seen the SIU gave a report. Uguti, Home Affairs is selling e-citizenship, selling DNA results, selling whatever it's selling to abafundisi bangaphandle for them to come and occupy us. My question is, kanti thina asinabo abafundisi la eMzansi?
No, ufuna ukwethu.
Isiyona sikho kanti la eMzansi. My question is, uShemba akekho kanti?
Khona.
uLutheran akekho?
Bakhona.
iCatholic ayikho?
Ikhona.
Angiyazi into enje bongadlula nje la edrobheni istrade esi1 kuno fire proof hallelujah chuku bombo whatever the case is. Mina ngithi, I'm standing here to say kwanele mfundisi. Kwanele mfundisi. We can't turn a blind eye ukuthi being a man of God from your country, you come here, you get asylum. Chigi, you now have an NPO. How? I'm just here to say, can our Home Affairs investigate our non-South African pastors?
Yes.
To say, one, how did you enter the country?
Uh-huh.
2, for you to have an NPO registered, is it really registered under them? Or basebenzisa abosisibethu to register it ngoba abosisibethu naba batheni sini.
Ay.
Sina fake marriage nje lana ngoba abosisibethu bayawathanda abasayizana.
Bathi thina sinemali.
Pastors ngoba abafundisi most 90% abafundisi esibatholayo abafundisi bangaphandle bayenza izinto ezishaqisayo. So ngithi mina, if umfundisi wangaphandle, if a pastor that is not South African is here with the right documentations and they're not doing anything illegal, we have no problem. But if your documentation has an issue, mfundisi, be a man of God, pack your things and go home. Because sikhathele amasonto abafazi bayakhonza baguqela amadoda wangaphandle kodwa wena endlini ngeke akuguqele.
Siyadala kwaphela.
Malithi daddy is calling you. Umngakho uyagijima athi papa.
My papa.
Kodwa endlini akakhothamelo wakho ndoda. Bahamba basisibethu babashadise baqede lapho babazalise. Si overpopulated. Ngithi mina, if umfundisi ula mamela mntakadethu akhule enkonzweni, sinabo abafundisi in our country. Angiyazi le abafundisi uyiMidas sokuyisonto, amabhilidi amafactory sokuyinkonzo. Enough is enough.
Yes.
Enough is enough.
Enough.
And if abantu bathi hayi lona uzenaphobe kunjanjani, mamela mntakadethu, whatever label you want to give me,
It's fine.
Whatever label you want to give me, whatever you want to say about me, if it will make you sleep well at night, continue. If kuyakuphakela ukuthi usithuke uthini, continue. But not in our lifetime. So yes, njengoba singabheki, what day sothi siyabheka isiyona sekho sokugcwala abo fire. Bagcwala abo fire proof. Because ayingane, oh mama, especially oh mama. Ungazuthi yini?
Bafowethu, into ongayazi inkulu kunawe. Uyawubona uZulu ukuthi wenzani lapha eJoburg. Uyibonile imarch eseJoburg. Uyawubona umarch and march oseJoburg. Uyayibona into eyenziwa uZulu eJohannesburg. Sithi hlangana Zulu. Kodwa ngithi wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Ubedakwe yini? Ubedakwe yini? Awu ubedakwe yini? Ubedakwe yini? Awu ubedakwe yini? Ubedakwe yini? Wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Sithi hlangana Zulu. Uyabona manje uma sekuhlangana uZulu, uZulu ukwazi ukuhlanganisa wonke umphakathi. Akekho umuntu ozothi i-tribalism or whatsoever. Ngoba lento yo-tribalism kwakuyinto eyishiwo ama-politicians evuka ukukhohlakala bobuxoki bobuphiciphici. Uyabona manje hlangana uZulu, i-march and march has nothing to do with the politics. I-march and march irrelevant. I-march and march izohlanganisa umphakathi
wonkana, usihlanganisa yonke into, usihlanganisa wena Mvenda, wena Mpedi, wena Mtswana, wena Msuthu, wena whatever. Hlangana yonke into manje kube yitsunami and kuzoba mnandi. Bafethu kusazoba mnandi. Niyayibona into eyenzeka laphana eJohannesburg. Niyibonile futhi into eyenzeke ePitoli. Kuhlangene uZulu, kuhlangene wena phakele umthakathi, wena phakele igqirha, kuphakele wena kuhlangene wena ngizwe mlando, kuhlangene wena Jacinta. Yey, lalela. Lento engangisho ukuthi kufuneka kufike isikhathi lapho khona abantu abazothi sikhathele, enough is enough. Yes. Kufika leso sikhathi manje bethi abantu enough, it is enough. Abantu beyithathele bona izwe labo, abantu beziranele bona izwe labo. Yes. Bethi wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Mabathi wahlangana Zulu kwenzeka into ongazange iziyenzeke. Akukho umuntu bafowethu wavimba uZulu. uZulu uhlangana njengotsunami. Uyisibonile ngophakela umthakathi ziwokha lapha ziphethe Peniscoop sentelezi. Ubonile walk iscoop sentelezi. Uyisibonile ke namhlanje begijima kanjani mase sidla. Wayiqinisile uMan B. Wayiqinisile uMan B mayithe lalela bafowethu. Angikwazi ukuthi nithi mina angeze njengoba kwenza leza insizwa lezo ongizwe nophakela umthakathi. Angikwazi. Ngoba mase zidla into lezindlela ziyafana. Uyabona ukuthi uZulu wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Ubedakwe yini? Hlangana wethu. Ziyahlangana ke manje yiboshelwe ke ngempela. Othi akaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani njengamanje. Uyaganga. Yabona njengamanje indaba manje yepolitiki manje sibeke eceleni, indaba lamaqembu nepolitiki ukuthi uyiqembu enjani, uyiskiphe esiyelo, iskiphe esinjalo, asingeni leso. Kuhlangana uZulu, kuhlangana abantu ngempela. Lento ye-march and march izohlanganisa abantu bangampela, izovuselela ispirit of umuntu, izohlanganisa abantu ngempela ukuthi into yabo bayilwele, into yabo futhi bayivikele, iphethe into irrelevant, iphethe into ethe muthu, ukuthi abantu bazohlangana, abantu bazoba yinto eyodwa, abantu bazobumbana bebe yinto eyodwa. Wenganza kwethu khona ividiyo yami la ngeke ngakhuluma khona ngalento ekuthiwa i-Age of Aquarius. Yabona i-Age of Aquarius bafowethu. I-tsunami iqalile yabo nje baqala nje ukujela Mkhwanazi waqala bashaya impempe wahlelana. Awakwazi ama-drug dealer ukuthi aphathe izwe, athathe izwe. Alikwazi izwe lethu ukuphenduka ukuthi libe i-mafia state. Akukwazi kuba njalo. Yabo sukumile ke manje uZulu no. Abantu ababhizi abadayisa ama-drugs ababule ingane zethu ngama-drugs. No, abahamba abuyele emakuba sibadinge nothi la. Ngeke kuze kwenzeke. So uyabona manje ukuthi izinto ziyashintsha. Ngisho abantu bepolitiki manje amaqembu epolitiki azoncipha manje. Funeka anciphe manje. Kucaca ukuthi abamabili 4 amaqembu epolitiki 4 azoba u2 kuphela. Amaqembu ezepolitiki mahlangene sithi sikhuluma into izwakala. Kodwa i-organization i-march and march ngiyayisupporta futhi ngiyayisekela ukuthi ayiqhubeke iye phambili i-march and march ngoba ayihlangani napolitiki, ukuhlangana abantu lapha under the wing of i-march and march ukuthi no, sukuma umuntu emnyama, sukuma Daki, sukuma noma ngabe uphi, useLimpopo, useMpumalanga, useleSikisiki, useNkandla, useVenda, ukuphi, sukuma umuntu omnyama, sukuma uyibambe ngoba asingadlali abantu abathathe umnotho wethu badefenda ama-system. Ngoba uma uqala iqembu lepolitiki usuke kuphela uzodefenda isystem ngoba isystem ikunikeza yona imali ikulalela, sifuna usho ukuthi lalela ngixoxele. Uma ngabe qala iqembu lepolitiki, labantu abama-capitalist laba okuyibona abakontrola umnotho wecountry we-South Africa bakhipha imali banikeze iqembu laleyo politiki bethi lalela la, ungakhulumi ngokuthi, ungakhulumi ngokuthi. Make sure buyele eceleni. Benza sure bethi ungakhulumi ngendaba yokunationalizwa kwamabhenke, ungakhulumi ngomhlaba, ungayithi vu. Singahlala kanjani singakhulumi ngozomhlaba bafowethu, umhlaba wethu singazikhontroleli umcebo wawo, ngoba phela umhlaba kufuneka sitshale ukudla kuwona, kube yithina sitshala sidayise. Sifuna umhlaba wethu ubuyele kuthina ukuze sitshale sidayise, siyidayisele thina amafama abuyele kuthina. Uma kuwukuthi-ke nawe ukhona umhlophe phela uyawayutshalaza, nathi sifundisa sihlangane kube u-50-50, kungaqhamuki kube wena wethu, asube u-50-50 umhlaba wethu. Uma ukuthi uyalimba igolide lethu, asube u-50-50 nathi nemali esoyithola. Ungaqhamuki unikeze abantu abathizeni ngoba ufuna ukubasebenzisa ukuthi badifende umhlaba. Cha, asifuni into enjalo. So onke la maqembu ezepolitiki anikezwe, lalela uthi ngibazele example, ngo-2024 kade kukhankaselwa kunamaqembu nje khona ukuthi uMzansi Afrika wanikezwa malini u-15 million for what ukuthi kuphela avikele i-corruption, ukuthi avikele i-system. Yilokho ayekunikezela. I-IFP yanikezwa malini u-20 million ukuthi wenzeni ivikele i-system. Baningi banikezwa nje icucu, baningi kade babenikezwa. So umuntu sithi kade simthemba ukuthi uzosilwela lutho, ashaye avale umlomo, athula athi du, angasilweli, engazivikeli. So khuleka baningi futhi abantu abekhontrola ngesikhathi kule formation ye-MK bekhontrola ukuthi hambe yokhuluma into wrong ngaleli qembu nokuthi. Sezwa futhi ukuthi kunemali ekade ibekwe phansi, I think yayiba close to 1 billion and something, ukuthi kuyitshela lo baba lokwaXuba uKhumalo ukuthi akungakhulunywa ngokuthi engaphazanyiswa uMzansi Ramaphosa, ingakhulunywa indaba yokunationalize kwamabhenke, iphinde ingakhulunywa indaba yomhlaba. Kanjani endaweni yethu? Lalela, sithi kwathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Into ekufuneka yenzeke, abantu abasukume bethi enough is enough. Lama mashi laba azosebenza makuwukuthi enziwa abantu abapure, not ngomqondo wepolitiki. Azosebenza makuthiwa awuyena la awunawo amaphepha, goduka. Udlala kanjani ibhizinisi ungenawo amaphepha? Goduka. Sithi nje wathinta uZulu udakwe yini? Phakama mntu omnyama, phakama. Lalela-ke masithi wathinta uZulu bafowethu suke singabadlululi umuntu. Asibadlululi umuntu. Hlangana nje ube yodwa, ungakhohlwa nje ukuthi uma sihlangene siyinto eyodwa uzoyibona izinto izobanjani. Ungaduso ukuthi sithi wathinta uZulu, ukuthi masisukuma kwenzeke thina ngempela, sukuma kugqunqa iZulu ngempela, kushintshe izinto. Hlangana mntu omnyama, hlakanipha mntu omnyama, skill yourself, don't kill yourself mntu omnyama. Into ongayazi inkulu kunawe mntu omnyama, phakama mntu omnyama. Danko.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. March and March Action SA bophakela umthakathi ngizwe Mchunu nabo Jacinta bebalapha na Johannesburg nase Pretoria bamasha because they are saying ukuthi they don't want foreigners eSouth Africa, bathi abahambe. Mgwaqo beyigcwele, titolo tivaliwe lapha eJohannesburg, kumashwa kugcwele njena titradi kuqulwa kuthiwa ama-illegal foreigners they must go kesana, they must leave eSouth Africa. Kuthi Jacinta alcohol foreigner lila fela eSouth Africa, alcohol Nigeria, alcohol Zimbabwe, and so they must go back to their own countries. We know what people are really tired of my foreigners and babafuna bahambile. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.